Hi students, so in this session I am going to explain about auto storage class. Okay, in the previous session we discussed about the purpose of storage classes and what are the storage classes available in C language. Okay, so in this session I am going to explain about auto storage class in detail. Okay, right. So first storage class is what? Auto. Okay. Right. So what is the purpose of auto storage class? So auto storage class is mainly, auto storage class is used for local variables. The purpose of auto storage class is what? Auto storage class is used for local variables. Okay. So already we know local variables. What is meant by local variables? So the variables which are declared within the function or inside the function are called local variables. Okay. And this next step. So clear, first point, auto storage class is used for local variables and it is the default storage class. Okay, default storage class is what? Auto. Next, scope. The scope of auto variables is limited to the function only. Okay. The scope of auto variables is limited to the function only. Okay. Next, when no data is given to auto variable, so that are automatically initialized to garbage value. Okay, when no data is given to auto variables, that are automatically initialized to garbage value. Okay, so here initial value is what? Garbage value. So garbage value means unknown value. So clear, first storage class is what here? Auto storage class is used for local variables. Okay, and this is the default storage class. Next, the scope of auto variables is limited to the function only. So auto variables can be used, auto variables can be accessed only within the function in which they are declared. Okay. Next, initial value. So when no data is given to auto variables, that are automatically initialized to garbage value. Okay. Right. How to declare auto variables? Okay, so already we know the syntax. Storage class. Next we have to write data type. After storage class we have to write data type, then we have to specify variable name and with a semicolon. Okay. Here, here storage class name is auto. Next, data type int, variable name x. Okay, so x variable is declared as int data type. Okay, and here we used auto storage class. Now x variable is a auto variable. Okay, x variable is a auto variable. But suppose if you are not specified any storage class here, the default storage class is what? Auto only. Okay, auto is the default storage class. So clear, right? So now we will see one program. Okay. demonstrate auto variables. Okay, program to demonstrate auto variables. Right, first link section. Link section. Next, so link section contains what? Header files. Right. So in this program, I am declaring one function. So my function name is display. Okay, and creating one function. Okay, so here function name is display. So this function cannot take any arguments from calling function and cannot return any value to calling function. Okay, function with no arguments and no return value. So declaration statement should be terminated with a semicolon. Okay, right. So this is function declaration. Function declaration statement. So every function must be declared before that is used in a program. Okay, right. After function declaration, so here I am writing main function section, opening brace, closing brace. Okay, right. So in main function, first part is what? Declaration part. Declaration part contains local variables declaration. So in this, I am declaring one variable x. Okay, so data type int, variable name x, and for this variable here I am using auto storage class. Now x is the auto variable. Okay, okay, so 100 assigns to x variable. Okay, next CLR SCR to clear the output screen. Right, now I want to define this particular function. Okay, I am defining this particular function. Okay, function return type is what? Void function name display. Okay, so function definition. So this is function declaration. Function declaration does not contain body. Function definition contains body of the function. Okay, so in display function also I am declaring x variable. Okay, na? Same. I am using auto storage class and with a semicolon. So in display function, I am trying to print x value on the screen. Printf. So I want to print x value on the screen. Okay, format specifier %d variable name x. Right. So to execute this function, we have to call that function from main function. Display. So this is a function call statement. Function call or calling function. Calling function or function call. Next, function definition. Okay, function definition. Right. So in main function also, I am trying to print x value on the screen. Next, get ch function. Right. So in this program, in main function we declared x variable. In display function also we declared x variable. So here both variables are auto variables only. Okay, because of we used auto storage class. Okay, So if we execute this program, if we run this program, what is the output we will get? So when we execute this program, program execution starts from main function, and execution control executes the statements one after other in the order which we written. Okay, right. First, okay. So right. So whenever CLR SCR, we know it will clear the output screen. Okay. So display function. So whenever execution control encounters function call statement or calling function, then execution control is directly transferred to function definition, and it executes all the statements in the function definition. Okay. Here in display function, this printf statement prints x value on the screen. So what is the x value here? So here we are not assigned any value to x variable. Okay, na? So here before, so here remember one point: when no data is given to, auto variable. Okay, when no data is given to auto variable, that are automatically initialized to garbage value. Okay, so here it prints what? Garbage value. Prints garbage value. Okay, this statement prints what? Garbage value. Garbage value will be printed. Garbage value means unknown value. Okay, garbage value. Garbage value means unknown value. Okay, so some value will be printed on the screen. Okay, right. Next, after executing this function, then execution control is returned to main program. Okay, right. So this statement will execute now. So here this printf statement prints what? X value on the screen. Okay, so what is the value of x variable here? 100. Okay, so 100 will be printed on the screen. X is equals to 100. Here what? X is equals to garbage value. Okay, some value. Okay, some 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so clear. So this is about auto storage class. Okay, so auto storage class is used for local variables. Next, auto keyword. Auto keyword is used to declare auto variables. Next, the scope of auto variable is limited to the function. Okay, so here in main function, x is the auto variable, means so this x auto variable can be used, can be accessed only within the main function. So we can't access this particular variable in display function. Okay, same as in display function also, x is a auto variable, and this variable, this auto variable can be accessed or can be used only within the display function. Okay, so clear? The scope of auto variable is limited to the function only. The scope of auto variable is limited to the function only. Next, when no data is given to auto variable, that are automatically initialized to garbage value. Okay, right. Thank you. In the next session, we will see the remaining storage classes. Okay.